Well, we started learning about the life cycles of different animals. So we put chickens in an incubator and we watched the process and hatched some baby chicks. So we put the eggs in, and then 21 days they hatch, and then we'll keep them until Thursday. And then they'll go to the farm, and then they'll grow and eventually lay eggs of their own or be roosters. Well, the learning has come to life for them because they're getting to see it in real time. We did schedule it around spring break so that they would have 7 days that they weren't having to wait. They kind of forgot about them and then came back excited. But I'd say they learn a lot of patience because it does take 21 days. And for them just to get to see, we candled the eggs, they got to see what was going on inside. And then to get to see the whole hatching process was awesome for them.
That they're really soft and that they take 21 days to hatch, and they have to go in this thing called an incubator to get warm.
That they have 21 days before they hatch. When they hatch, they're wet, so you have to keep them in the incubator and let them dry.
We named one Tiny, we named one Red Beak, and we named one Orange.
That they start off wet when they hatch, and you have to keep them in the incubator.
It takes 21 days for them to hatch. They have to stay in an incubator, and the last 3 days of their hatching, they stop turning, so they have to be turned every day but the last 3 days.
This is finishing up my 19th year in second grade, so I think I started at my second year, so it's about 18 years I've been doing it. Every year is different, for sure. The kids have different questions, and some of them have stumped me before, and I've had to research it. And we've had years that the hatch wasn't as successful, but luckily this year we had 19 out of 24 hatch, so that was a very successful hatch. Well, I think it brings it to life, and when things come to life, they're more hands-on. You retain it better than just reading it in a book or seeing pictures. You're actually getting to touch it and see it, and well, the smells, and I think all of those things help you retain the information better.